It's the little things that get me high. Won't you come with me and spend the night?
Morning guys! So finally, uwi na kami. Punta muna kami sa City State, tapos doon na kami mag-break. Break? Punta kami sa City States, tapos doon kami magbe-breakfast, at then diretso na sasakay na kami sa Advance. So, ito na yung susutin ko. Wala na akong, arte. Iwanan na natin ang condominium ni Mother. Tapos ako nakapantulog. Bye! Magbubok na ako ng Grab! So guys, we're heading home. This is our 99th time na sumakay ng elevator. Wow, sanay na siya. Hindi siya maawa. Inisip ako. Yes.
Ay, good news si Ijo na iuuwi.
Oo, nakasakay ako ng elevator.
So by this time, it's early in the morning. We're looking for the receptionist kasi kailangan na namin mag-check out. Anyway, I don't have microphone here because nalobat siya habang nag-edit ako. So by this time, we are preparing na. And then, we should be the one to put back the key in its locker. I'm enjoying the stay here in the Radiance Hotel Manila. All I can say, it's very comfortable. It's
Thank you.
less hassle-free. If you want to stay close to MOA, PICC, or SMX, it's very convenient. And the utensils, everything that you need in a house, it's complete. So, by this time, kailangan namin magpaalam.
Hello po.
And also, mind you guys, they are very, very protective. The staff, they are giving you 100% special treatment. And that was so nice. So, that's Manila, by the way. So, here I am sa Grab. I'm just emoting my time. Nag-emote yan. Upon arriving guys, all I can say is sobrang grabe ang kanilang service. Tingnan nyo naman yan. Diba? Para kaming prinsesa. I kinda used to this hotel and I will show you what it looks like. So, dahil nga breakfast yung pinunta namin dito, nag-avail na kami for 400 pesos per head. Hindi ka naman lugi kasi super masusulit mo siya. It's until 10 a.m. So, every time I come here, I always prepare my new coffee. Mind you guys, this coffee is brewed. And that's the menu for this morning. Everything is healthy except this one. Super dami niyang mag-rice. Ate Jollibee. I forgot to tell her that she can eat whatever she wants. But she do it in one shot already. Kaya ang bilis niya nabusog kasi binilasan niya, binanatan pa naman agad. Hello! Hindi ka magmamadaling kumain pag sa buffet. Girl, you need to have a lot of space on your tummy. As you can see, ganyan lang ako magkuha ng food. So, nag-cheers kami kasi tapos na ang aming OTP. At congratulations sa amin! Ang aking food today, mukha lang siya madami pero konti lang yun. And here my mom, she's talking non-stop. Akala mo nonsense. And by the way, may tinuturo ako dito kasi nakita ko yung mga alak. So, wala lang. Diba? Lasenggera ka, girl. You can drink naman, but responsibly din. So, I take another breakfast. So, this is bread with vegetable salad and boiled egg. And Ate Jonalyn, she is laughing because she said she's very full na. Here she says something that I am very pretty and I am super kind. Yun po ang sinabi niya dyan. Hindi ko alam, nagsasalita sila, nakasalpak yung microphone ko, kaya ayan, walang boses. Nilalambing lang ako niya. Sweet niya. I love you, mom. Thank you for the gastos kasi ikaw ang gumastos sa lahat. We are chika-chika here kasi kinukwenta ko kay Ate Jo na marami ditong foreigner, baka gusto niya. So by this time, I'm eating salad together with the mayo and ketchup. And if you don't know, it's very masarap. Try nyo po. I'll eat all of them in one shot. super sarap. Vegetable salad together with corn is perfect combo. And yeah, I'm finished. Look, it's still walang sound kasi nakakonect yung adapter ng mic ko sa phone and then hindi ko siya tinanggal. Anyway, mag-voice over na lang siguro ako hanggang dulo. So, ano nangyari? As you can see guys, the whole hotel is so luxury. And this is my favorite spot whenever I come here in the City State Hotel Manila. I just love to take pictures here. One thing I love in the City State is that they have a good lighting to take a picture. The lighting is so expensive as you can see. Nagaganda-gandahan na naman yan siya.
I am Bona. My name is Bona and my family name is Ganda.
So, by the way, later on, I will show you what Ate Bona is discussing.
Pilihin niya.
Ganda.
Finish.
Yay! Ayan guys, hindi naman siguro masamang maglabas ng sama ng loob, no? Sinulit ko na din kasi favorite ko talaga ang banyo ng City State Tower Hotel. Bigit na lang kayo guys. Alam mo yun, kahit nasa travel kayo, busy pa rin ang mother ko. What is Sikat Ferry Bus Services? Sikat Bus and Ferry is a reliable transportation company that offers bus and ferry services from Manila to Puerto Galera. With a strong reputation for safety and quality service, Sikat provides a seamless travel experience covering the entire route from Manila to Puerto Galera. Their service includes bus transportation to Batangas Pier and ferry service to Puerto Galera, making it easy to explore the area's beautiful beaches and scenic views. Sikat has got you covered for the entire trip. Hi! Ang ganda! Pasok na! Ang ganda naman ng aming President of the board. So by this time, she is the one who are giving the guide or assistant to the passengers to feel more relaxed and comfortable inside the bus. Look how close they are. Chinay lang siyang lang di Yushi lang. Yan, nagsasalita kami na hindi namin alam na hindi pala naka-on yung microphone. As you can see, the bus is so stable. Pwede kayong maglaba, magkape, maghugas ng plato, maglampaso, magpakain ng aso. Bahala kayo kung anong trip nyo. They are so chismis. Charot.
Okay, if you buy something, do take
Sikat bus kasi may 10 minutes break. Sana all.
Sikat bus, everybody.
Okay, for the commercial muna yan siya. So, ito, hindi naman ako magsi-CR. Sumama lang ako kay mama. Kasi pag sumama ako kay mama, may pera. So, ayun, sabi ko na sa inyo, mamimili kami ng pagkain. Tapos natusa pa ako sa McDonald's. So, dito nag-order na nga ako ng food. Bibigay ko kasi kay Kuya Jun kasi siya na lang walang food for lunch. Kaya, ako na lang nag-order for him. And then, natawag ako sa raffle. Ganyan ako magligalig. Hindi pwedeng may kulang. Paano ba naman magbibigay ng order? Dalawang order ko pero magkahiwalay, magkabila ang dulo. Paano ko magigess kung akin yung isa? Ano ba? So, ayun. Lumabas na ako. Balik na ako sa bus. So, andito na ako sa aking seatmate na matakaw. Hindi na bubusog yan siya. Ewan ko ba, basta pag sa biyahe, lamon lang kami ng lamon. Walang kabusugan. By this time, we arrive at Batangas Port. So you can see, nagpapaalam talaga one by one. Ganyan sila ka-accommodate sa kanilang mga passengers. And then, tinuturo din nila na may guide pagpabaha. Going to the pier. May nag-guide para ituro kung saan sasakay. Which shipping lines. Medyo hindi ko lang nagustuhan yung padali dito sa Batangas. May mga nangaagaw kasi ng mga luggage, tapos sila na daw magdadala, then after that, hihingiin ka ng something. At first, I thought they were helping, but hindi pala, it's their business. I don't know, it depends pa rin sa situation if you will give them or not. Kasi para talaga sa akin, it's not ethical, something like that. So, yan, nandito na kami sa my port, and then, I really go to the bathroom talaga to wash my hand. Basta pag may nakikita ako na pwedeng paghugasan ng kamay, I do it voluntarily. Here, nag-outfit check ako kasi hindi ako naligo. And nakapantulog pa rin talaga ako kasi comfortable lang siya. Hindi na kailangan maligo kasi uuwi lang din naman, diba? Salamat na lang, may photographer ako. Charot. And there, nagano na kami ng QR code. I think it's a pass slip. And medyo dito sa part na to, hindi ko na-carry yung maleta ko kasi natatain na ako, guys. Swear. Kapasok namin dito sa, sa waiting area, sinanap ko ulit yung CR. Kasi guys, huhuli na kami. So, ayan. Maglalabas ulit ako ng sama ng loob. And at this point, kami na lang pala yung iniintay. So, nagmamadali na kami dyan kasi may iwanan na kami. Pero alam ko naman, nakilala kami ng Galerian. So, maybe they will wait for us. And here, paupo namin. And at this time, nakita namin yung iba naming kaklase. Kakasabay-sabay kami pa uwi. At saka nagkwentuhan kami ng experiences namin about sa oath-taking. Natapos na lang din yung video ko. Wala pa rin talagang sound. So, dito lang. Bye-bye!